Or
Hello, welcome to today's edition of Carlos with Cooking. I'm Carlos, the main chef, of course, and Sean, which is, well, I'm not sure where he is right now, but we're gonna start our show today by making some lemonade. Yeah, so let's start. First, we start off by getting a pitcher. Look at Sean. Okay, and then I guess we just get the lemon and we cut it. But you know it's gonna take too long, so fuck it. I have some lemon juice, of course, instead as a substitute. There you go. That's the word I'm looking for. And did you see me? Okay. Never mind. And I guess I need to get some water. Okay. And we just pour the water in. Just nothing. The lemon juice. For sure. Good. Okay, then we gotta get some sugar. Where's the sugar? Dude, I swear, did you guys hear that, or is it just me? Where's the sugar?
Next door. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, sugar.
Can I open it?
Go ahead. Wait.
Oh, fucking so for you.
Oh shit.
Where the fuck is the sugar? Oh!
You found it, fool?
Yeah, I found it, fool. Dude, I swear, can you guys find Sean? I don't know where he is.
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Check.
I swear I'm gonna kill him. Watch.
That's nasty. What a vomit, bruh.
Shut up, dude.
You shut up.
Need to get the sugar to the ball. Good. I need some salt.
No, look at this.
Believe it or not, it's actually really good with salt.
No, it's not.
It's salt, right?
Does it look like salt?
No. This is baking soda. I have to kill people.
So,
Where's salt?
look at you. Hold up. You see a black thing? Like, look in the drawer.
Which drawer?
The one you just earned earlier. No, the other one. Behind you. Yeah, up. Now look for a black one. But the black good. The black good.
This is salt, stupid.
I know, asshole. Know my place. If the shit tastes nasty.
Dude, where the fuck is Sean?
I don't fucking know.
Good.
And that's all for today? Oh no.
Oh, I missed the show, didn't I?
Yes. Yes, you did.
Oh. Oh.
And is that people? Is that it? Maybe? No? No?
Who's got them?